At Skyward, we don't just want to keep pace with technology, we want to lead the technological use of drones. So we do that here first in our hangar at the Aviation Development Centers, where we take that technology, such as 5G and mobile edge compute, and figure out how we're going to integrate those into drones. We chose a virtual reality use case because it really stretches the legs of the technology. Aviation is, for the most part, in a real-time business. By having these reliable, high-speed communications between the drone and the ground, we can take some of that computing, some of that video encoding, the machine learning, the computer vision, and take those computers off the drone and put them onto the network in the ground. Verizon 5G Edge with AWS Wavelength gives us the tools that our developers are used to using for developing our web platform, and now apply that thanks to like computer vision and encoding, with giving us those minimal latencies that reduces weight, that reduces heat, and it reduces cost. What we want to do as technology developers is bring those solutions out to the market as quickly as possible. But we want to take the time, like we take it here, to really put those technologies through their paces. We're using Verizon 5G Edge with AWS Wavelength so that we can understand how to best employ that technology, so that when we're putting things into the market that are connected to the Verizon network, they're the best solutions possible.